bit of
Yeah. So we discussed about the source code management tool, right?
yes,
So GitLab, Bitbucket, GitHub, right?
yes.
Yeah. Today what we will do is we will install the Git and so we can run the commands. We can install the Git and we can clone the Git repo from um GitHub. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So can anyone share your screen? I will show you how to install the Git and how to run the commands.
Okay.
Or else I will show you to my from my side. Let me check if Git is installed or not. The Git is yeah, Git is installed on my machine. So I need to uninstall the Git from my machine. So let's control panel, go to the control panel and programs and features. So the Git, I'm uninstalling the Git. Yes, yep. I'm uninstalling my Git in my local machine. Let me try to uninstall. Yep. So Git is uninstalled. So guys, how to so you guys are watching my videos right through the YouTube channel, right? Victoria.
Uh-huh.
So you are
Yeah.
watching my mm, my yeah. So I upload everything. I uploaded everything in the YouTube channel, guys. You guys can watch it through YouTube channel. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So yeah. So I need to download the yeah. So download the Git, right? Git download. You can did download. So go to the Git downloads. Then so which one we are using? We are using Windows, right? For Windows, yeah, 32-bit for Windows or 62-bit for Windows. Yeah. I'm downloading 64-bit for Windows installer. It is downloading, guys. It is downloading. Yeah, it's downloaded. So so you already installed the VS Code also, right, guys? VS Code you already downloaded, right? VS Code, Victoria,
Yes, yes.
you already installed the VS Code, right? Patrick, you guys are installed the VS Code, right? Yeah. So download, you already downloaded install code, right? So just you download that and so go to the downloads. Yeah, go to the downloads and this is the Git, right? So then you can click here. It automatically install. If you double click, it automatically then yes, it automatically install. Next, next, yeah, next, 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 next. So it automatically install the Git, guys. It automatically install the Git in our. So if you are using So if you are using if you are using a Linux or if you are using a Mac, so for Mac you need to download these guys. For Linux, you can install these commands. If you install these commands, it automatically install in the Linux environment. Okay, so finish. Yes, finish. If you install the git bash automatically install. What is that? Git. Sorry guys. Git bash automatically install. So now you can check it. Git so git bash. You can use the git bash command. So this is like a same like as a our. This is same like as a our SSH. So it's work as our SSH commands. So something like ls or whatever the commands we are using, right? So it will executing these commands. Yeah. So now you already installed the Git, and so we need to log in we need to create the account. We need to create the account for the GitHub, guys. We need to create a account for the account in the GitHub environment. GitHub.com. So I'm having the account. I'm already having the account. So let's try to create another account. New tab, new editor window, github.com. Yeah, sign up. This is the a sign up button for guys. This is the a sign up button. Enter your email. So something like I will give you the another email for that I'm using that. So cheriku.harikrishna 2019 at gmail.com. So using a cheruku.harikrishna 2019 at gmail.com. So this is the account I'm using. Okay. So email is invalid or already taken. Okay. Or else I will take the other one. ch93 gmail is working. It is working, then we will take what is this guys? gmail.com. Copy. Yeah. Continue. Why guys? Is this one also taken out? This is also invalid. Chiru.harikrishna@gmail.com. You guys can tell me any one of your email ID. Victoria, can you tell me your email ID?
I'm already creating with my email ID here.
Your email ID? Sorry?
BIKKY. I'm
So can you
already
paste?
I'm already doing it on my side here.
You already signed up, huh?
I'm already trying to sign up here right now.
Okay, okay. So give me, you already trying to sign up. Let me use for a Gmail, right? Something like. No. Yeah, enter email, like, great. Would you like to know which favor account, please? Use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. This is a thing, right? Sub. Yeah, create an account. We sent a launch code to this number. I don't have this mail ID. Let me try signing Gmail.
I'm finished with my mask, and I can before I go. Next year,
I'm giving the password. Okay. Gmail.com. Right. Why we are getting this error? Yeah. So account is created, guys. Account is created with Hare Krishna Siruku 99. So Hare Krishna Cheruku 99 is the account name. Account name. Okay, guys. So this is my. So I already signed up this account. So let's check any repositories are there. That is the home. You can go to the home. So update your email address. Yeah. Primary. Delete. Okay. Yeah. So this is the primary, guys. I'm sending the verification email. Sorry, Krishna Jirkman, the email address was deleted. So now GitHub code. So I got the code. So copy this code or open in GitHub environment. Paste it, guys. Yeah. So initializing my dashboard. So this is my repository. This is my GitHub account. So this is Hare Krishna Cheruku 99 is the my username, my repository name. So this is my account. So my account acting as a public, act as a public. So this is my dashboard, guys. So this is my dashboard. So I'm creating a new repository. So new repository is something like DevOps class or YDev September DevOps class. So I'm creating a new repository. The repository is a public repository. Start a new repository. A repository contains all the projects, files, revision history, and the collaboration discussions. So what I created the repository called YDev September DevOps class. DevOps class. Now I'm creating a repository. Yeah. So what it created? We created the Git repository is called YDev September a DevOps class. YDev September DevOps class. So these are the commands. These are the commands, guys. This is my remote repository. This is my GitHub remote repository. I want to clone this repository. I want to clone this repository. How you can clone your repository? So this is your repository, right? GitHub dot so this is your repository. Copy this repository and go to you installed the Git, right? Git. So now pwd where you are in the Vedadeva. So go to desktop. In the desktop you can create a card git mkdir. I'm creating a card ydev git. So I'm creating a new account called ydev git or else ls. So in this cd ydev git. Yeah. Now I am in my project name is ydev git. So now I am cloning the repository. Now I am cloning the repository. How you can clone the repositories? So this is the repository, right? In the repository, how you can clone it? So you can copy this. Copy this is or yeah. So something like how you can clone your repository. You can clone the repository. So this is the repository name. GitHub. Copy this repository. Copy here and go to git clone. The first time. So first time. Yeah. So what you did, you install the Git on your desktop. What you did? You install the Git on your desktop. Git installed. Git installed and created a mkdir, created a directory. So ydev git. created a Git repository, then cd to ydev git. So then you can, so you already created a remote repository, right? You already created a remote repository. The remote repository, to call it as a, what is the remote repository? In which GUI GitHub, in the GitHub you created a account, right? Created a created a account created a account and created a a new repository, a repository called, what is the repository? Ydev September DevOps class. So this is the a repository. So this is the repository. This is the repository you created. So this is the repository you created. So in our GitHub account, something like, what is the account name? Hari Krishna Chirupu 99. What is my account name? So this is my account username. Username is this one. Password, I set the password. So I want to clone the, I want to get the repository. I want to get the repository from web browser to remote to, so remote, from remote to local. So what is the command for first time? First time you can use git clone command. Git clone command. After, so after something like a, some other guy pushed to the remote repository. So he is pushed. Git push. So git clone, git push is from pushing the code from a local to remote. So whatever the, so before the remote, before he pushing, so whatever the code is there in the remote repository, I got that code. But I want whatever the other guy pushed that code, I want that code into my local. So what is the command? Git pull. So push is nothing but is sending the data, sending the data to remote, sending the data to remote from, so here downloading data from remote, so this is nothing but a git pull is nothing but a downloading the data. Git push is nothing but uploading the data, sending the data. So git clone is nothing but a, the first time whatever the repositories we want to clone from remote to, get it from remote to local, that is a git clone. First time it will be git clone. So the remaining times you can use the pull and push. Remaining times you can use the pull and push, guys. Guys, understood, right? Pull and push. So this is the this is the way we can clone the repository. This is the way we can clone the repository. So something like, what is the first time is we can clone the repository through the command. What is the command, guys? Git clone https github. So git cloning. So yes. So you appeared, you cloned a empty repository ls list cd ydev September class start. So you see, So this is the main repository. So if you are into the Git, if you are into the Git, then only it will shows the this main repository. So master is nothing but a, this is nothing but a, so this is nothing but a main or master. The main or master repository. A remote repository, it call it as a main or master repository. Something like so now you want to add so this is the local repository. So this is the local repository now. Git status. Git status. So git add, git status, git commit. The git status git status, no branch on the main branch. So on the main branch, no commit at nothing to be commit. So if you want to create a copy of file using the git add to track. So nothing to be there. The git status, nothing to be there. You want to create a file, something like a touch array.txt. So I created a one file. I created a one file. Something like I created a one file. Here I created a one file, but so local doesn't know this is a git file. Git git local doesn't know this is a git file. How do you know? So if it is a git file, when you can use the git add, it will be coming to staging, then git commit, then knows the, oh, this is a git file. So remaining, so this is a normal file. So remaining is a normal file. So something like, let's check git status. Git status. Before git status, there is no branch, there is no commit. So how we can add this git? How we can add this file to git? So something like a git add hurry.txt. So this is a untracked file because of this is a untracked file. So Git is not tracking this big file because of, so this is not added to the Git local repository. Still this is in the working copy. This is in the before the Git only. How we can Git knows, how we can, so this is a untracked file. This is a untracked file. Git not recognize this file. So how when it will recognizes git add hurry.txt. So get recognizes. Now we put this now this went to from git add to a staging area. It's went to staging area. If you want to we want to add it in the local repository, definitely we need to add the git commit command. What is the command? Git commit git commit hyphen m is nothing but a message. What is the message? First commit. So this is the first commit. So then so dot or something like hurry dot txt. Yeah. So git commit. So now you can check the git status. So git status on your branch main. Your branch is based on origin main, but the upstream is gone. So something like you need to set the upstream. Nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. So now hurry.txt is knows the no, git knows the hurry.txt. Now I want to send the file from my local environment to my local repository to remote repository. So I want to send this file local repository from here to local repository, right? So how you can add it? Something like a git init, git add readme.txt, git commit. This one also done. So git branch hyphen m main. We can execute this command. We can execute this command. Next, so we can add this command also. Git remote hyphen origin. So git remote add origin means, so we need to add the origin file. So this is the origin. Yeah. So already exist. So how you can check it? Git hyphen v git remote hyphen v. Yeah. It's already push fetch. This is already added to the repository. So now push, so this already added, right? So now push origin branch to the main branch. Push origin to the main branch. Let's check it. Permission denied. Permission to Harikrishna Cherukadu is denied. Unable to access the requested URL, returned an error. Returned an error. So how? So we can get this error. Something like we need to connect this remote server. We need to connect this remote server, right? How we can connect this server? Something like we need to connect this server. So we will create a token. We'll generate the token. Go to the profile. Edit profile. Go to the profile and settings, right? GitHub doc settings. Yeah, in the settings, so the password token generation, so developer settings, no GitHub auth personalization, GitHub auth personal access tokens, token classics. You can execute this, generate a new key. A classic name is ydev September DevOps class. So expiration, no expiration. So repo, delete packages, manage, admin, reflect, sign in, delete, audit, manage, read decision. Yeah, you can select the delete repos. So on the user also. Yeah, so that is enough. That is enough. Generate the tokens. Yeah, token is generated. Token is generated. You can copy this token because of how you can authenticate with the with the GitHub. How you can authenticate with the GitHub. So before, how you can authenticate with the Terraform, how you can authenticate with the Ansible. So we can authenticate with the Ansible through code, right? So that the Terraform access key and secret key. The same way you can access this. So unable to push origin main. Remote permission to git denied to Mojave 24. So git push origin. So why it is denied? Yeah, I think so. There is a credentials. I think Windows credentials manager. Windows credentials manager. Credential manager. Go to the yeah. So go to the credential manager. So web right. Credentials are Windows credentials. Windows credentials. Git right. There is a credentials. GitHub. Remove these credentials. Yes. Yeah. I remove that credentials. The web Windows credentials as removed. Now I am pushing to main. So it is asking the it is asking the authentication. Sign in with your code. Sign in with your browser or sign in with your code. Sign in with your code. Enter the code. Yes. Yeah, two-factor authentication. So I have a two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication. Oh, I need to. What is it? Authenticator? Yeah. So I have a two-factor authenticator. 475139. It's changed. Congratulations, all you set. Or else, so we can connect. Is your device is connect. It is asking. Oh, yeah. So we can use the. So once you executed this command, git push -u origin to main. So something like you are pushing whatever the code in the local. So whatever the code in the local, it will push to the origin main. It will push to the origin from a main. It will push from the origin to a main. So it is asked the, so copy the code, right? So what it is asking the token, provide the token, paste the token, and sign in. You see, now it looks good. So it pushed to the, so whatever the objects, 3 objects are done. So continuing objects 100% 3 by 3, writing objects 3 by 3. So this is the done. So total 3. So it pushed to ydev September DevOps class dot get. So branch from main to main. So branch from main setup to track origin main. So it will push to the origin main. So let's check it in our browser. Go to your profile or repositories. So there is a repositories why the September class starts and you see. So hurry.txt is pushed from your local to pushed from your local mission to your mechanician to remote mission. Your local mission to remote mission. Guys, now you understood? So how to push the code, how to push the code from how to add the code working directory to local repository, then from local repository to git push, then from local repository to git push. I understood. Something like here you want to create, here you need to add a one file, something like create a new file. The file name is called as so why us class dot txt us class dot txt something like here. So this is my first repository file. So commit the changes. So here commit the changes. So yes, commit directly. Yeah. So so you are creating a file through git commands, and you are creating a file. You created a file with the GUI also. You created a file with the GUI also. So now, so in our remote repository, we have a 2 files, but in our local repository, how many files? we have only one file is there. So how we can download, how we can pull those pull those pull those these documents to your local. What is the command for pushing, for sending from your local to remote? The command is push. So if you pull is nothing but a git pull is nothing but a, we can pull the whatever the code is there in that repository, it will update. Something like fast forward. Yes, class 1 is downloaded, one file is changed, 0 instructions. So this is the, let's check. Yeah, now hurry.txt and US class txt is added. Before there is no US text, US class.txt. No, git pull, git push, git clone. Done. You understood, right? You understood,
Yes.
Victoria? Yeah.
Yes.
So something like yeah. So there is no, yeah. So now I am in the Vaidev Git. I created a one file, uh, repository name called as, what is the repository? Terra Terraform Terraform code. So this is the local repository I'm creating. How you can create the local repository? Something like cd Terraform code. You see, so I thought this is the local repository, but there is no main. So if how we can recognize if the main is there or master is there, then only we can recognize this is a git repository. How we can set this is a local git repository? There is a command git init. Git init. So yeah, so you see, Git is initialized a local repository. This is a, so now Terraform code is the a local repository. You see, so this is the master account. So master account. So ls hyphen la. You see, .git file is there. .git file is there. If you remove, unfortunately, if you remove the .git, you see, so this is not a local repository. So when it will be when it will be recognized a local repository, you need to initialize the Git. Yeah. So I am initializing the Git. So something like this is the this is the local repository. You are trying. You are so you can use the Git branch. So what is the Git branch? Git branch command is shows the branch. Git branch command is shows the Git branch. The you are the master branch. Git branch. You are the master branch. Git. So now you need to add the code. How to add Git? Something like touch um touch my my first or main.tf. So git status, git branch, git branch. You are in the master branch, main branch. So git so untracked file. How it recognizes git add main.tf. Now so it is in the staged. So git status again, git status. So how you can recognize the git commit hyphen m commit message. This is my new commit. This is my new commit. Yeah. So commit message. What is the file? Main.tf. Yeah. So now git status. Yeah. So no git status, no branch master, nothing to be commit. So working tree is clean. Working tree is clean. Working tree is clean before untracked file. Then so something like a git status, it changes to be committed. Changes to be committed. Once it is committed, the working tree, nothing to be commit, working tree is clean. So now get recognize the main.tf. So I want to push this. I want to push this. How we can push this? So git So how we can push a yeah. So this is the repository. So I want to push a new repository to the remote machine. How we can push it? Yeah. Git push origin main. So fail to push some repo origin. So I want to Terraform code, right? cd // git push git remote -v git cd Terraform code git remote -v. So there is no right. So we need to set the paste. It is the command. Git remote origin. Yeah. Git git push source spec main does not match master. Yeah. It push it to the main repository. Main so repository. So there is a master had a recent push means. So if you want, so compare and create a pull request. Then nothing to compare and change it file. Yeah, here it's showing. There is nothing to compare. Master name branch. Enter different commit histories. Empty file. Unable to change main. Yeah. Unable to compare, right? Yeah. Pull request. Yeah, code repository. Code. This is not. So we need to create another repository. Then we need to push it to the something like that. Yeah, I want to create a. So I'm in the cd dot. So I created a new branch, right? This is a new branch. Git branch. Yeah. So I'm in the master branch. So I'm in the master branch. Now I want to switch to, or I want to create a, how to create a branch. Git branch, git checkout hyphen b, git checkout hyphen b, branch name. What is the branch? New dev branch. I'm creating a new dev branch. So now I am in the new branch. How to create a new branch? So something like now touch um class 2 dot txt. So git add class 2 dot txt. Git git commit hyphen m class 2 dot txt. Yes. Now I want to merge this. I want to merge this file. Something like git push main, sorry, master. Yeah. So let's check that. Master had 4 minutes ago. Main to master, not this, right? Issues. Request. No. So let's go to cd dot cd. What is that? White dev. Yeah, I'm in the master, right? So here you get to create a git checkout hyphen b new class. So I'm in the new class. Touch white dev dot txt. I'm creating a new text file. So git add white dev dot txt. Git commit hyphen m white dev dot txt. Git push. Now git push origin main. Everything is up to date. Branch main setup to track origin main. Okay. Now go to these repositories. Yeah. Compare and create. Not this one, right? Master. Master to main. What are the new branch created? Master to master created a new branch, right? Git push hyphen new main margin. Yeah, this is the new class, right? From new class to main. I want to pull request. Seven minutes ago, we don't need this here. Wait, master main. else I want to create a master to main. Oh, there is other branch, right? I created tags main to master. This is my first repository. Split and unified. There is no right, there is no. Yes, here this is main branch. Here, not this one. You click right. This my stack. Default branch is main. Features. Product branch. This request is this was we don't need a new pull request. Yes. Main to master. Why this is coming? Yes, here two branches. Yeah, your branch. This is by new pull request. Main.tf compare. This is master. Want to go back. Delete this. Was active still all branches. Main branch. Main only. Okay. Now pull request. Yeah. So in the repository there is no pull request right now. So no class. Push horizontal. What is the branch? New pull request. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Push. What is that? It main main master. No. Main. Yes. Main push. Main. So branch main setup to origin main. Everything uploaded. New class. request, new pull request. Learn about the pull request. Guys, we'll show it to you tomorrow, guys. Actually, we need to create a pull request. It is not coming. Here we need to create a pull request. Yeah, tomorrow I will show it to you guys. Okay? How? You guys are watch these recordings. So we have a yep. You guys can watch this recording. You will understand, guys. Tech world with yeah. So there is a Git recordings. 2 Git recordings is there. You guys can so you guys can watch these 2 recordings. You guys can watch these 2 recordings 3 weeks ago. So this is 3 weeks ago. Complete Git and Git. So you will understand, guys. Yeah, this is the bit. Yeah, I showed in the how to push this, guys. Okay, you guys can watch these 2 recordings meanwhile. So tomorrow I will show you how to push the code. So definitely it will be showing us why it is not showing. So git push or sit. Yeah, I got it. Now I got it. Git merge. Entry up to data cd yes. Sorry. Git branch. Name. Git branch. Git checkout. Git checkout main. Git merge. Yeah, git push now. Git push. Where is in main? Yeah, now let's check. Yeah, now AW dot is changed. There is a merge, guys. Merge, we need to get the merge request, pull request, new pull request. Yeah, so it is not showing, but let me check tomorrow and we'll get back to you guys. Okay. So meanwhile, the code is pushed to it merge it to. So I will show you tomorrow merge. What is the merge, guys? I will show you tomorrow. Okay. Hello, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Did you understand, Jason? So what I did, Patrick, home.
Yeah, I understand to some point, but I'll practice more.
Yeah. I will show you tomorrow. I will show you tomorrow again. Okay.
All right.